everyone, my name is Luis Menici. Today I'm going to show you the main features at Bizanc. Let's start with wallet, then clicking on the plus, check the private key and public key, set your password and check the password. Save it, and then the wallet will be stored in your browser. So to receive and transfer any funds, just use your public key. Remember, the password is only your responsibility, and never share the private key with anyone. So let's get started with deposits and withdrawal in Bitcoin. So click on deposit, put the value, set the asset that you want to deposit, generate the deposit, copy the transaction code, open your Electron, set up your password, and click on next. Right, now click on send, and then paste the transaction code. Send again, and type your Electron password. Alright, the payment has been sent. Now get back to Bizanc platform and waiting for mining. Alright, now you can consult, you can check on Bitcoin cipher, block cipher. Alright, there we go. So everything is okay. So then check your target wallet just to consult the address info. In withdraw, put your Bitcoin public key there from your Electron, open the Electron, and copy the received address. Choose the value and choose the asset. Click in withdrawal and then set up the Bizanc password. Sign the transaction. Alright, so the withdrawal has been done. To consult the information, click on details. Open the transaction hash in block cipher, and then we will see the withdrawal. Also, you can check the information in address code. Deposit and withdraw Ethereum. Click on deposit, check your Bizanc public key, set up the value, and set up the asset that you want to deposit. MetaMask will open and ask you to log in. Type your password and log in. Alright, now it will request you to connect with Bizanc. That's okay, confirm. And click on deposit again. Alright, confirm the transaction, and the transaction has been sent. Nice. Waiting for mining. And then checking details. Right, you can go to Etherscan. There we go. Can check any address info. Alright, everything has been confirmed. Withdrawal is the same. Put the Ether public key, set the value, set your asset, and clicking on withdraw. Confirm the information and then set up your password and sign the transaction. Waiting for mining. Done. Checking on details. That's it. Now let's start with send transaction. Just get the destination public key, the value that you want to transfer, and the asset that you need to transfer. Send it. Confirm your password. And sign the transaction. Waiting for mining. And this is done. Confirm the details. That's okay. Order books, click on the market. Right, you can choose the asset that you want to see in the chart. Right, Ethereum, it's okay. So let's buy something. Click on buy, choose the asset, choose the price and the quantity. Submit. There we go. Set up your password and sign your order. Alright, it will be open in open orders. That is done. You can see the order book and the traders already already happened. To cancel the orders, just click on the right button and set up your password. Done. Now to sell it, click on the asset that you want to sell. Set up the price. And the quantity. Submit. Confirm. And sign. Alright, your transaction has been sent. Waiting for mining. And done. You can see in the order book. Thank you guys.